Hi guys, so I just wanted to come on here and show you how to apply your leg wraps. So you'll receive 4 pre-cut leg wraps. So we'll have the onyx, the maple, and the walnut. So you just want to start with applying from the bottom. Just start in the center, just along the bottom. You can see where it ends just at the notch here, and you just want to go around. Now you can do this on the high chair or holding it. You just want to smoothly roll it around. Same to the other side. So if you end up getting any air bubbles, you can just peel it back and then re-smooth it out.